What is dialectical materialism? The term dialectical materialism was not. The term dialectical materialism was not. But came to mean Marxist philosophy in. When texts such as Stalin's Dialectical and Historical Materialism and the textbook of Marxist philosophy prepared under the auspices of the Leningrad Institute of Philosophy began to codify the enormous body of work produced by the founders of Marxism into a set of laws applying to both society and the natural world. The main sources are the later works of Engels and especially Anti-Düring and the posthumously published Dialectics of Nature. Lenin's manuscript notes on Hegel's Science of Logic, written in 1914 and first published in 1929, are also an important point of reference. Dialectical materialism, often abbreviated as Diamat, asserts the primacy of matter over intellectual life, in particular as adopted by the Soviet Communists as their official philosophy. Dialectical materialism refers to the belief that political and historical events result from conflicts of social forces and are interpretable as a series of contradictions and their solutions. And this conflict is believed to be caused by materials needs. We can make sense of the term more meaningfully if we view it from the vantage point of Hegelian philosophy. We can make sense of the term more meaningfully if we view it from the vantage point of Hegelian philosophy. As is well known for Hegel, the movement of history is driven by reason or mind, so